Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to give you two stocks and one crypto. This video is going to be very brief today. If you're new to this channel, on this channel, I try to find stocks and cryptocurrencies that are either undervalued or overlooked, and I try to bring them out into the public, and you get first dips. And if you like what you're hearing, if you may consider subscribing, that would be great. That will go a long way to help this channel. And so let's jump right in. Let's not waste any time at all. All right, the very first stock I'm going to talk about today is JMIA. Okay, JMIA, ticker symbol JMIA. Now, JMIA is nicknamed the Amazon of Africa. There are so many things they do better than Amazon and Alibaba in Africa, to the extent that Amazon and Alibaba cannot compete with them in Africa because they understand the ecosystem much better and they have adapted to that kind of ecosystem. I'm going to go detail in another video, but this is a growth stock that you can start putting in the back of your pocket whenever you have the chance to purchase a couple. Now, I believe this stock is going to double in the very near future, probably even before the summer. And it's due to how everything is moving with the pandemic and how people are now shopping more online. The probability of this thing doubling is very high. They offer things like pay on delivery. Who does that? No one else does that. Okay, but they understand the market that they are servicing, so they are able to capitalize on that. And a lot of about 50% of the population doesn't have internet access yet. But every day, access to internet keeps growing in different countries in Africa. So the probability of this company to do very well is very high, and the potential is very, very high. All right. So I'm going to move right to the second stock. Now, this second stock is not a safe stock. It's not for the weak-hearted. So it's pretty risky, but at the same time, it could high risk, high reward. So this second stock is a penny stock, and it's not for everybody. And it's DRNK, NoHo Incorporated. So let me pull up NoHo Incorporated. Right now, the main product this company makes is a drink that cures hangovers. At the same time, they recently tweeted that a merger that was announced last year by this other company called Cybernac, okay, which is trading at 10 cents, okay, and then as we can see, DRNK is trading at 0.0015 cents. So DRNK, NoHo Incorporated, tweeted that the merger with this company was going to go on, they were going to go through with the merger, and that they were not going to do any reverse split. And as we can see, there's quite a big disparity between the share prices of both, and the PR stated clearly that they have not yet come to terms with they are yet to make a final decision on how the merger is going to go. So it's an all-round risk, but this other company is planning to take the drink and fuse it with cannabis and do some things with it. So it has a lot of potential, especially in this day of MJ stocks just going off the shelf. So it's a risk, but at the same time, it could be a quick runner. So it's all up to you. Do your own due diligence and take a good look at it. If you are up for the risk, it's DRNK. All right. Finally, I want to talk about Ethereum Classic ETC. So there are two reasons this stock is going to move. The very first one is just psychological. If Ethereum is moving, okay, and Ethereum is getting really expensive right now, Ethereum is about 1,700 pushing, okay, and let's say Ethereum is 50,000. Okay, as Ethereum is growing, just by name association, this is a psychological way some of these things work. Back in 2017, when Bitcoin, went all the way to like 20,000, and then Bitcoin Cash was added to Coinbase for the first time. Just by name association, Bitcoin Cash went up all the way to 4,000. So sometimes the way people trade is they name association and they buy the one that's cheaper because that's the one they can afford. Ethereum Classic, I believe, as Ethereum is running, it will be running alongside it very soon. And that secondly, Ethereum Classic is a fork of the main Ethereum. So people who run programs on Ethereum always complain about prices, about transaction fees, and all that. Apparently, you can port all your Ethereum apps, okay, over to Ethereum Classic, and then the fees there are super, super, super cheap. Ethereum and Ethereum Classic are interoperable. They can be operated either way, okay? And there's a way to go about that. So I think it's such a hidden gem right now at $10 that you know it's just waiting to blow up. It's just a matter of time. I think it's gonna be $40 in the next few weeks. You know, so that's it. That's it for now. That's it for now. I'm slowly recovering. When I do recover, I'll make more detailed videos. But for now, this is what you get. All right. Thank you very much for being here, and thank you for subscribing. And I will see you in the next video.